obviously in half as well, and just set up with the saw and cut it off. You may think this is a file. No, this is a file. I'm not too worried about the fraying of the edges of this, because it's going to be on the underside. Let's see if it fits. How many of you out there didn't think that was going to go in? Okay, let's see if this fits in. I've got to be careful because I've got 8 bicycles up above my head here. I end up with those landing on my head. Although I think they're pretty sturdy up there. There we go. And how many out there didn't think that one would go in? Well, they have. Okay, so it's just a matter of putting a couple of dozen screws in and the bottom shelf is done. And I was right too, this 12mm board at the bottom is quite sufficient. I mean, I can feel it only just flexing with my weight on it. Not that I'm a big heavyweight, but it's more than enough for whatever I'm going to put underneath here. Lucky last. Done. Okay, let's get this top sheet on there. Next thing to do now is screw this top sheet to the top base. So what I'm doing now is marking 65mm in, and I'll be scoring a very faint line all the way around because that's where I met my line of screws. The main screws of the big thick ply is 80mm center row all the way around. So I'm coming at 15mm. Okay, what I've done is I've marked all around the outer edge, 2 rows through the middle, and I've marked a 300mm, 30cm centers for the screws. So, and I'm using 45mm screws, which I think will be fine. There you go. Okay, I'm going to call this my question and answer segment. First of all, I'd like to thank you all for your response and support to my videos on YouTube and encouragement to the videos, so we will continue. In actual fact, the response has been quite overwhelming, and the questions keep rolling in. which is fine, and I'll answer as many as I can, which I'll start doing right now. Is the nail gun technology signed up with anybody, any company? No, despite what you may see on the internet. My technology is not signed with any major manufacturer. However, I am willing to speak to anybody who's maybe interested. Oh, incidentally, it's not a nail gun. Nail guns, the phrase nail gun does indicate that it's a weapon of some sort, and it's not light. It's an impulse nail fastening technology. So I hope that answers that question. Okay, here's a question. It might seem odd, but actually it's a very good question. What sort of floor covering do I have on my workshop floor? Well, I'll show you. It's this mat in here. This is actually made in Tasmania, northern Tasmania, and it's sold worldwide. It's called tube tread, and it's polythene basically, I understand, and yeah, I'll put the details of this, actually I'll put them up here, of the details. Apparently it is sold by the container load to Europe, the US, and how I came about it was through the armed forces actually. all of the armed forces actually use this stuff because it's non-slip, it's very, very hard wearing, and it has a non-conditional 3-year warranty worldwide. So I suppose that's why the armed forces use it, because it's good stuff. And like I say, I'll put the information on the video. And yes, so if you see videos of the armed forces, and you'll probably see this stuff, especially with the Navy. They're on board ship and what have you. But well, that's how I came about it, because it's good. All right, so I hope that answers that one. Well, actually, if I kept on answering questions, I'd probably take up the whole segment, so I'll cut this very short. So anyway, I'll leave the questions now till the next month. So keep them coming. It's fine. I'll answer as many as I can. So we'll get on.